Greetings in the name of Yahuwah and his son Yahushua Mashiach. My name is Malak Shalomo. Today is the 12th of February 2024. The time is 17:25 hours, which is 5:24 p.m. Eastern Time. And I'm going to do a trade recap on my trade on gold. So I'm using the micros, which is GCJ4. Right. So let me just switch over here. See on bookmap, that's the name of it. The name of the contract is GCJ4. Right, let's come back over here. Let's mute that. All right. So I don't have my Epic Pen. Had to restart to get the Epic Pen back. I didn't restart, so we're kind of rolling without the Epic Pen. So just follow my cursor, right? So at 20.33.8 is the monthly value area low, right? So when we broke above this here at 9 o'clock at 20.34, seeing that we might get a little reversal here. This was one of my support levels, so we started to get that little buying wick right there. You know, we had that push down on the other candle after that, on the 9 o'clock candle, and then when we started to push up and we broke above it at 20.34, I took a buy entry. It pulled back on me, it pushed up, and then it fell. So I stopped out at 20.31.3, unfortunately. Then we let's see here, 20.29 is actually Camarilla S4, which was another support level I was looking at for a reversal, right? So at 9:30 when the market opened at 20.29.2, I took another buy entry and that failed. Came back down here to 20.26.7, unfortunately. But then I stayed in the game and I took another buy here at 20.29.8, right? And that pushed up a little bit. And I stopped out here after this big rejection right there. I just stopped out. I was like, man, this is going to pull back on me again. So I stopped out, regained a little bit, nothing much. As you can see, that's what, 20.29.8 to a whopping 20.30.2. Amazing recovery. All right, so moving on. Took a short here at the breakdown of Camarilla S4, right? So we're now here at 20.27.4. So I'm thinking, okay, we're losing support. We're heading lower. Took the short. Big buying came in. I decided to stay in the game a little longer until I got stopped out here at 20.28.9. Unfortunately. Then I was like, okay. 20.28.9, we're just below Camarilla S4. Maybe this is the reversal, because look at this here. We're getting preliminary stops. We're getting selling climax. You know what I'm saying? We're getting this automatic rally. We're coming back down here. We're getting a secondary test, which is a lot higher than the selling climax. I mean the buying climax. Wait, hold on. The selling climax. All right, let's keep focus. Right, so we're getting this reversal kind of pattern here. It's like a phase A jumping off, right? So went long here, boom, right? At 20.28.8, right? Because we just flipped the position, right? Added to the position here on the break above 20.30.5. And then it just came back on me, man. 20.27.7 stopped out. 20.27.6 just stopped me out, man. So right now I ain't doing too good, you know what I'm saying? But I'm still staying in the game. So then I went short a bunch of times here. Like I started going short at 20.28.1, which is below Camarilla S4. So we're looking for continuation to the downside. I got the continuation. Stopped out here when it started push back up at 20.26.4. So, okay, we regained some of that. You know what I'm saying? I kind of added a lot to this position. This was 1, 2, three, four, five entries, right? So that was approximately, let's see, that's like 25 micros, I think I was up to. Yeah. Yeah, I think 25 micros. So regain some of the loss, right? But then I saw, I was like, yes, this reversal pattern is really popping off, because look at this right here. We get something like a thermal shakeout, right? Several spikes to the bottom, big reversal candle, pushing up, not really pushing my luck, coming back on Camarilla S4 2029, right? So when we come back to Camarilla S4, I was like, are we regaining Camarilla S4 though? So when it pushed above, retested, right? Kind of did a doji, no more selling. Did another test, a little spike below 2029. Came back up, I was in. I just went for it. You know what I'm saying? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And then we stopped out here at 2033, right? So that was it right there. You know what I mean? That all those adding on the strong regain of recovery of Camarilla S4. We had the Wyckoff theory, right? And we pushed up off of that reversal, something like a thermal shake. You know what I'm saying? It's a little too early for a thermal shake, but something like a secondary test, secondary stop, something like that, right? And we just took that up, added a bunch of times because we holding now, you know what I'm saying? You see how it's consolidating right there and keep on breaking the highs. Man, I'm in, right? Until we got that break right back up to the monthly value area low, right? So we pushed above that monthly value area low, and now we're just teetering above it here, right there, right? So gold is looking like it wants to regain the monthly value area. So I'm thinking I'm a little bullish on gold right now. So tomorrow we're gonna see what it is, And that was the profit on the day. We did 914 on the day, and it wasn't too bad. You know what I'm saying? I kind of stuck to the script, looking for breakdowns of support, looking for buys at support. Are we getting continuation to the downside, to the upside? I was really more bullish, but kind of had to go with what's actually happening sometimes. So that kind of stopped me out a little bit, but still we conquered. You know what I'm saying? All right, y'all. So it's Malak Shalomo. That was my trade recap on gold. And I hope you all enjoyed that. You see, this was a nice clean chart, and shout out to the guys who were leaving some comments. I really appreciate those comments, man. Usually people don't really comment on my stuff too much, but I had to do this trade recap for you guys with a clean chart. You know what I'm saying? Look at that chart right there. Nothing on it. Just this VWAP. We could take this VWAP off. Why do we need that? We don't need that. Take that off. No VWAP. My bad on the VWAP. You know what I'm saying? Nice clean chart. And just to give you like some levels here, this is my dirty chart. And this is actually a cleaned up version of my dirty chart. You know what I'm saying? So this was, the white line is monthly value area low. See, it's hiding behind there. So dirty, it's hiding behind there. This is a weekly level here. Preliminary supply on the weekly chart, and that green line right there, that's Camarilla S4. That's where we were looking for that support and stuff, you know what I'm saying? All right, y'all, so that's my trade recap. Y'all trade safe and stay blessed. We got CPI coming in tomorrow, and let me just take a quick, no, let me just leave it alone. All right, y'all, see y'all tomorrow. Trade safe, stay blessed.